Hi guys! So this is the materials or tools that we will need in connecting the RJ45 into a LAN cable. First, we will need the tester, the crimping tools, the RJ45 and the LAN cable. So the first step is to cut the LAN cable using the crimping tools. Let's cut it by 1 inch. Make sure not to cut all the wires. Make sure to untwist all the twisted pairs and cut what is in the centers. After untwisting the twisted pairs, let's now arrange the colors. Oh, by the way, I'm using the straight RJ45 pinout T568B. Note, make sure the wires are in the straight line. Now that are arranged and in straight line, we can now put it in the RJ45 connector. Make sure that the wire is not too long. Now the moment of truth. Now let's test it into the LAN tester. Now you will see the green light from 1 to 8 with no corrections. That means it's a success. The next one is the crossover. The crossover is different from straight through. The straight through cable have both the same pinouts. Like what I did, they have the both T568B. While in crossover cable, the other cable will be the T568 and the other one will be the T56B. Now let's test the crossover cable. The change pinouts will be 1, 2, 3, and 6.